So let's start doing this. We are going to build a design and after build a park bench obstacle for fingerboarding. Here in 360 Fusion, we are going to design this and then laser cut the entire thing and assembling it. Let's start for going to the top view. We are going to create a sketch and choose this top plane. You're going to use a 2-point rectangle and create a center rectangle. So we are going here to use 40 millimeters because our strip of wood is 44 millimeters. And now here we are going to use 260. I guess it's perfectly fine for what we are going to do. We already have here finished sketch. We already have here this sketch, and now we are going to extrude it 7 millimeters. That is the thickness of the wood, and it's going to be the thickness of all the items we are going to produce here. It's okay, that's fine. Now let's go to the bottom part, create a sketch, select this, and let's go for the legs. Here we are going to go with also 7 millimeters and 30. Okay. And also, since we are going to use finger joints to assemble everything, let's start doing deal with the finger joints. Okay. Now we are going to place here a line, and this line will have I'm going to use like a mirror, selecting this sketch, and now using that same line to mirror everything, so we have both sides perfectly spaced. Finish sketch, and now we can select this. Fine. And now extrude, and let's go like -40. So it's 40 millimeters plus 7, it equals around 47 millimeters. New body. Then you have 1 body, 2 and 3. Fine. Now we are going just to hide this top part, bring the sketch and select the joints. Extrude 7 millimeters. Now we are going to join, and that's perfectly fine. The legs are done. Now we are going to combine this. Target body is this one, and the tool bodies are these. Keep tools, cut. Now if you can hide the legs, you can see here the voids in order to assemble them perfectly. Now, for giving it a little bit of more structure, we're going to add here a beam, a support beam. And for that, we are going to go, we are going to go here for the bottom part again, create sketch here, and now we are going also for the rectangle, center rectangle. Also here you'll go for the 7 millimeters, as I said before, and that's it. Now what's the problem here? Now we are going to let me just hide these bodies. We are going to make, we're going to have to make this line coincidental with this. So let me, oh, it's already editable. Okay. as you see, collinear, select a line, select the other, and that's perfectly fine. And since we are working with the rectangle right in the middle, it applies on the other part as well. So just finish sketch, pick the selection, extrude. Now you can bring out the bodies just to have a reference, and let's say 30 or no, 25 for example. Okay, and here new body, and that's okay. Now this beam are going to be linked to this part and the legs also, so we are going to do also some some finger joints in order to assemble everything. Then let's hide this again. Okay, bottom part, create sketch, this, and now we are going to point rectangle. Okay, let's do for the instance this thing. Mirror, select, okay, and that's done, right? Finish sketch. Now we can pick this up, and pick this up, okay, and we are going to extrude also 7mm, join, that's fine, that's okay. Now we are going to do also the same thing as before, combine, target body, tool bodies, keep, cut, and it's done, right? Okay. All the parts are here. We only need to do the finger joints to the leg parts now. So let's go for the right view, and we are going to hide. Okay. Create sketch here. 2 point. Okay. Sketch left here. Okay, finish sketch. 7mm as before, and here also 7mm. Let's bring the legs. Same thing as before. Keep, cut. That's it. And now again, target body. Okay. Now if we hide this, it's already done everything, right? So all we have to do now is just to do a little fillet of this on these edges, like so. Okay, that's fine. I guess that's good. And now let's arrange this so we can laser cut all of this, since it's perfectly fine for us. Let's go for the final stage. We select all the bodies, create components from bodies. Here are the whole components. And now we are going to arrange. The 4 components are here. Envelopes, select this plane, and as you see, it's all flattened out, right? Let's just hide these components, and they are all flattened out here. What we need to do right now is to create a sketch where we project everything on that sketch. Select this. Let's select everything. Create, project, project, and just select the bodies you want to project. Click OK. And basically that's done, right? Now we have here the sketch. It's this one. Export DXF. It's all good. Sketch 11. Save. That's perfectly fine. Now you go to Lightburn or other software that you have, I don't know. Import. Sketch 11. That's perfectly fine. Now for me and for my laser, I have 18-watt laser, and for this 7mm pine woods, I usually go for 300 on millimeters per minute, 100% power, 2 passes, and here on the curve offset, I usually go for 0.080. Because it fits really snug if I do so. So it's perfectly done, all done and ready, as you see. Later they say I'm going to upload a short where I can show you all the laser stuff and the assembly part done. So you can see how it's presented after the modeling into the real world. Hope you liked this video. If you did actually, please consider liking the video and subscribing. Thanks.